Good morning, guys, and welcome back to MicroStrategy Administrations class. And in this video, we are going to learn how to create and configure the subscriptions based on alerts. Basically, alerting is it enables users to proactively trigger delivery of reports and the documents when certain conditions are met, so that users can quickly take the appropriate actions based on that particular informations. So this is the pure the practical class and practical videos, and we are going to learn how to configure alert based subscriptions in these videos. And before starting these videos, guys, just subscribe this channel, YouTube channel, and help us to get 5,000 subscribers. Thank you. So let's start in this basically in this exercise we are going to create the alert based subscriptions on one of them reports, and we will use the reports to create that subscriptions. So that's fine. This is my developer I'm going to use for this exercise. This is my dossier. I'm just going to close it. If you just want to learn how to use this dossier and everything, you can contact to me on the, and I have mentioned my email ID and contact number in the description of this video. And I'm just going to let me just logged in. Okay. Let's go to my shared reports, and under the subject area, then you have couple of folders, and under these folders you can find a couple of reports under this folder. So these all are the reports here. If you just go back, and you can see in the daily analysis we have lot of reports. All these are the pre-built reports when you install the MicroStrategy tutorial project that comes with your installer, and you don't need to create them. These are for the practice purpose, so I'm just going to use one of them in this exercise. So I'm just going to use this, and let's execute this to run. So it's going to execute, and you will see the outcome of these reports in a moment. Okay, perfect. Now you can see with good the colors also. You can see we have the color in the header. So this is the results of this all for these reports. We have customer reasons, we have year and metrics, and that's 2015 revenue percent growth, 2016 revenue and 10% growth. And we are going to use to revenue here, and I'm just going to right click, and then I'm going to, it should have the alerts option here. Yeah, that's the alert options here, and I'm going to click on the email notifications. All right, so in this filter on options, if you just click on this drop down buttons, you can see a couple of options here, and here you have to select the percent growth, because we are going to create an alert based on some percent of growths on our data. If there is any particular percent of growth into your data, then trigger it's a trigger the subscriptions. Okay, and so this is greater than, you have the percent growth, how many percent. So we are going to change this, then the less than uh, because we need some testing here, so I'm just going to just 0.1% only here, and then click on apply. Okay, so this is you have create an percent growth uh, formulas here, and if you just go to here, we have the couple of tabs here, and this is the cell formatting. We can format our reports from here to click on them, and you have the options also here. Okay, and you can see the name. If I'm just going to change this name, that's, let's say, problem reasons. And on the font tab, I'm just going to go with the Arial black with my font, and style my, I'm going to style with bold and font size little bit more, 11 or 12. And then I'm going to pick the color also. You can change the color and line uh, from here. Sorry, you can change the color to red, because the person, sorry, this is not the red. I think that should be the red. Yeah, that's the red. If you just hover over your cursor on the color, it will give you the name also, and that's fine. You just need to hit on apply, and let's take a look and just click. Let me just see what it's saying at the condition. We have all the other options also available here. So that's fine. Just let me hit click. Okay. Please set a valid recipients before saving the subscription. I have to put the delivery settings also here. So let's go to under the delivery settings. That's the delivery setting. Without putting the right details into here, you can't save the files. All right, so this is delivery settings, and under, the alert subscriptions, we have here the alert subscription. And if you just see, we have the schedule, we have the name of our reports, we have the report name here, and that under the schedules, I'm going to change it to just books closed. And here you have where you want to send this email. You have no email address defined yet, so that's fine. I'm just going to click on two, and here you can see we have couple of groups here, then the sale list. So which one I'm going to use them? I'm just going to use this San Francisco. I'm going to edit this San Francisco category manager here. And if you just you have the options in 2 CC and BCC, same as you can see into your Outlook. So you have the same options here. If you just want to put someone into the CC or BCC, you can add them also. So if C, let's see, we want the web users also into the CC, then we can add them. So whatever users added into these groups, they will get all, they will all get the emails, right? And then hit OK, and then I'm going to click on OK, and then you can see it here. Two, we have two users here. Into CC we have one group here. Okay, and you have options, send all data, format cells is selected, right? You can even change it, but that's fine. I'm just going with them. And under the advanced options, you have a couple of options also here. You can compress and protect zip file, enter the password here, zip file name and delivery. So you have a couple of options here also. And you have also options here, the to allow recipient to change the delivery settings. So if they just want it, you can have the options here. So I'm going to just for this demo purpose, I'm just going to select that one also, and then you can hit OK. This should be saved this time. Okay, perfect. Now we can save after putting all the valid information into the delivery settings, and we can save them here. So this was the our reports. Now let's go back and to my subscriptions. Okay, if you have the options here, my subscription, I'm just going to here, and you can see your employee headcount by reason. No, that was, sorry, that was the earlier reports, and this one we have created right now, the yearly revenue growth by customer reasons here. So recipient is multiple, you can see the actions and a lot of information you can see here. So if you just can see the actions, that's basically this icon that's showing that the subscribers uh, who whatever we have subscribed into the recipient email, they can change the delivery settings. They have the options, they have the privileges to change the delivery settings. So that's this one, this option that's showing to you. And our next step is to trigger the event to deliver that particular repost to the subscribers, whatever subscribe we have added into our subscriptions. So to do this, you need to connect with your developers tools, your MicroStrategy developer, and you need to connect to MicroStrategy Analytics module, and you need to expand the folder, that's the administrations, and then you go to Configuration Manager. And under the Configuration Manager, you have the events here, and under the events, you have already book closed events that's already created. And in on this book close, you can just trigger it manually, or you have the even the options to trigger it based on your scheduling. You have the options here to schedule it, and that's our book close. That's a book close trigger which already created. The scheduling that's already created here. There you can see the names book closed, and if you just that's the event triggers and go to next, and that's going to start at this date and book close, go to next, and then you can review. It's here, so and it has no end time. So there's that you can create the schedule, your own schedule based on your requirements, and we then you need to create an events, that's events, the event based events. And if you just want to manually trigger them, you can just go to come to under the events, and then click on events, and under the events you can found this the object under the inside the objects where you can find your events, whatever is the base time events or the trigger events, the event based triggered. So you have the two types of the trigger, the time based trigger or the event based triggers, and we are going to use here the event based triggers, and then you can trigger them. And as soon as you can trigger this, so your users, whatever user you have subscribed them, you can those users, those subscriptions going to receive the email into their inbox. So though we don't have any users here which have the which have the actual email ID, so I cannot show you how it's how they can receive. But this is the whole process. They will just receive the email into their inbox after this following process. So this is the process, guys, to create your the subscription, and then you can use the events, and you can trigger manually to your events. So these are the process to configure the alert based subscriptions, and then you can use them. Okay, guys, and I believe that video are going to help you to understand the MicroStrategy in depth, and you also enjoying the videos. Thank you, guys.